Good morning, guys. This is Chef Mash po. Earlier, I just had how do you call it? Medyo nagisip ako kasi naganda ng tugtog yun. Naano ako, na-in-love ako kay Step B. Anyway, hola amigo, amiga. This is Lulu, Chef Mash po. Guys, I wanted to show you my face when I used the soap of Omni by JC Premier. Jaron! Look! Wow! Gorgeous! Guys, parang pumuti nga ako. Ayan, no, tingnan mo. Arty-arty, diba? Pero maganda hair ko rin, kasi nagpa-kulay ako. Actually, guys, may talent ako lahat. Hindi ko alam kung ano. Guys, ang ganda! Tama nga, si Jericho dapat nagla-live ako. Anyway, good morning, everybody. By the way, this time, it's something different. Normally, I do cook, right? But this time, I do live because I'm promoting the soap of my sister, which is from the JC Premier, and lots of celebrities are members there. Guys, coffee muna tayo. This is my mag. Ang cute, diba? I got this from Tita Breng. Tita Breng, thank you for that. All of us, we have that. By the way, yung soap, grabe guys, wait, I'll get it Hang on for a minute. Okay, I'm now coming. Jaron! Nakapangano na ako guys, nakapang yoga. Guys, ito na yan Omni. In-unbox ko na siya, in-unwrap ko na. That's it. So, naghilamos ako. Kasi sabi ko sa sister ko, yung first day, kanina guys, nag-video ako while I'm doing my hilamos. Kaya lang nakat kasi ang daming memory na nakalagay doon. Kaya pagka nag-video ako ng live sa YouTube ko ng cooking, minsan nakakat, pasensya na kayo. Kasi nga daming pictures, tsaka video. So, kailangan I need to delete. Kailangan mga 10 minutes para maganda, bonggang-bongga. Guys, ayan yung Omni. Okay, from the JC Premier. My sister is a franchisee of Siomai King. Tcharan! That's it. So, nung tinagal ko na siya, guys, ito yung lalagyan. At ito na yung soap. Ayan, ginamit ko na. Basa pa ba? Arty-arty. Ang social, in fairness. Ayan, guys. I will see, kasi napansin ko, parang pumuti nga, Even ordinary soap, di ba puputi? Pero ito iba. Tsaka parang may moisturizer. And then, one thing I recognize, guys, is parang ang bula. Kanina sinabi ko sa first vlog ko, kaya lang nakat yun, naghilamos ako, kaya lang, hindi ko na, siguro, depende ko ilo-load ko, pero ito ilo-load ko to definitely. Kasi ito, dito ko lahat sasabihin. Guys, promise, Setam, I like it. Sa dami ng friends ko, 5,000 plus sa isang Facebook ko. Tapos sa isa ko naman, magti 3,000 na. Meron akong Twitter, meron akong emo, meron akong Viber, meron akong Messenger, meron akong, lahat yun ipopost ko, lahat ng mga cooking ko, pati ito. Meron din akong Telegram. Diyos ko si Papa Chris nga Shoutout to Papa Chris. Hi, good morning, Papa Chris. Alam mo ba, ayaw niya ako nasa media. Sabi ko, ano ka ba marketing ako nagbebenta ako ng hotel membership. Guys, ang sarap ng coffee. You know what time is it right now? Ewan ko kung pagka yung mga age mo ng ganitong age. Pero hindi sexy naman ako, di ba? I do my yoga, billiard, chess. Pero pag morning, nag-stretching ako, yoga and stuff like that. Yeah. Guys, promise. Like what I said, I had lots of apps, okay? Kasi nga nasa marketing ako. First job ko was, ito kwento lang to guys First job ko, I was in the hotel industry. It's in the computer industry. So, 89, graduate lahat kami. Ako sa PLM. Kaya lang guys, it so happen na, alam mo lang, hirap kasi nung course na yun. So, hanggang 5th year lang inabot ko second sem. Sabi ko, alam ko, ano ba naman itong school na to? I took up, Electronics and Communication Engineering. Scholar ako doon. Shout out to all the PLM. Guys, kung ano yung PLM before and ngayon, talagang brighty, matatalino. Medyo madami akong kinikwento kaya kailangan kumokonik kayo. So, So, ang tendency, guys, ganito. Nung nasa PLM ako, kaya marami kong Twitter, di ba? Parang may public relation talaga ako, promise. Hindi ko alam. Parang I learned this from my father, my mother, and then enhance na to when I work in the computer. Tapos, parang, you know what I mean? I started working 1992. So, that was Boss Joe Phoenix is my boss there. I'm selling a computer. A computer, guys. It's a computer like this. I'll show you. Like this, laptop. Alright? Guys, ito yung music ko. Ang ganda. This way to a dream, Peter Person, Michael E. Remix. Guys, ang ganda niyan. Kaya yung background ko. Guys, I work in a computer firm. I started working there 1992, and then I learned everything, guys. Multitasking, communication skills, dealing with people to Boss Joe Phoenix. Boss Joe, I love you, Ma'am Myrna, you know that. And then Mr. King. And then, sasabihin ko na, guys, ako sino yung mga boss ko ron. Mr. Ben Chancock Bin. Not the owner of Bench, the owner of Celine Shoes. So, all of them are big people. All of them are millionaire but very humble. I treasure them because I learned a lot through them, okay? So, yun na. After no, 1992, no nag-work, 92 I started hanggang 99. So, 2000, nag-work naman ako sa hotel as a telemarketer. Gusto ko kasi marketing. So, yun ang una kong hotel. Ang puti ko talaga, guys, gumanda. Alam mo, first day pa lang to, guys. First day ko pa lang ginamit yung Omi, pero I like it, super. Parang pagkain. Masarap at masarap gamitin, maputi, glamoroso. Ayan di ba? Nakaipit pa ako niya. So, ganito guys, let's go back. I started working at the computer, right? As a sales engineer, and then I shifted to hotel industry, which is 2012. So, I am telemarketer. I'm one of the telemarketers in the Philippines. Ito ba guys, pinili ako ng boss ko. Okay, shout out to my boss, Carlo Reyes. Who else? Aris Manuel. Yung mga foreigner, Steven Scott, Ramesh Rao, Sharon London. Guys, ito, speaking of Sharon London. Guys, pinili sa amin sa hotel. Kasi I'm selling the membership like EDSA Shangri-La Hotel, Makati Shangri-La Hotel, Manila Pen, Intercon Crown Holiday Inn. Those are the hotels covered by the HMC. HMC means it's a hotel marketing concept. So I started working there 2000 until 12. Guys, I learned a lot. Promise, I learned a lot. I learned also in the computer firm, which is the Greenwich Computer Plaza. And then, the Computer Authority, guys, hindi naman sa nagmamayabang ako pero parang ganun na rin yung dating. Pero I don't know, maybe it's a confidence and it's a gifted from Almighty God. And then, it was enhanced by everybody. Like, dealing with people, talking to the clients, especially to the boss. Okay? So, yung boss ko sila, na-mention ko na, shout out to them. I love you guys, I treasured you, and thank you very much for all the blessings I've got from you. So, nung nasa hotel na ako, guys, I'm one of the telemarketers. 2000 until 12. Okay, shout out to Boss Carlo Reyes, Aris Manuel, I'll just read again. And then Ramesh Rao, Steven Scott, Sharon London. And then the owner, it's Ramadan Mokhtar. Guys, take note. I was the only students. I was the only employee. Actually, marami kami. Pero ako yung lagi may guts. Ako yung makapalang mukha. Ako yung arty-arty. Guys, lagi kong kausap si Ramadan Mokhtar. Until now, he's the owner. And Michelle Sandu. Alam mo ba guys, first time I spoke to them, itong sinabi ko, hello, Mr. Ramadan Mokhtar. My name is Lulu. Akala mo nagtetele ko, arty-arty, diba? Sir, my pleasure to meet you. Guys, hindi ko alam. Talagang ginawa ko noon. Kinausap ko siya. Tapos nandun si Michelle kasi iniikot niya yung mga rooms. Guys, kwento ko lang kasi it's really awesome and it's really powerful and it's really wonderful when I work there. Guys, doon ako lalong gumaling. O siguro gifted na kasi tatay ko, guys, he's used to private driver of DOLE, Department of Labor and Employment. Tapos yung mother ko, chef. She cooks the lunch, the merienda, or even the breakfast at the NLRC, National Labor Relations Commission. It's a sister company of DOLE. Kaya nga si Arnel, medyo lately diba naging close kami, 2000 until now, 2 dekada na. So, doon nag-work sister ko si Ate Mi, and then si Ate G used to work there, si tatay ko doon, private driver. Ang natatandaan ko lang na boss niya, na when I was in college, si Drilon. Si Mr. Senator Drilon, boss niya. So, I know something about Senator Drilon. Kinento niya yun. And then ito pa. So, when I was in the hotel, guys, doon ako natuto. Kaya ako naging trainer. Shout out to Robert Yupanco. He's so awesome. He's really good. Binati ko siya lately, happy birthday. Ka-birthday niya sila Roy Sumang ng PBA Blackwater, pamangkin ko si JL, si Ate Ning, cousin ko, mga Parawan, and then meron pa isa. Ang dami, si Dodd, office mate ko sa hotel, na lately nalaman ko lang, magkaka-birthday sila. Guys, yung telemarketer ko, doon ako natuto. Kaya ako trainer ngayon, tinuturuan ko kayo. From the basic, like yung mga bata, kasi I have lots of group chat, guys. Meron akong create yung mga bata, yung pumupunta sa bahay namin, di ba nasunog na bahay namin? Guys, ano yan ha? Yung mga bata, tinuturuan ko sila how to deal with people, how to talk to the persons, to your family, to your friends, to everybody. Sabi ko, kailangan kids. Ang mga bata nun, guys, nasunog yung bahay 2016, ng December 18. Ayun, anniversary yata ngayon or kahapon, di ba? So, how many years na? 17, 18, 19. Guys, 4 years na. So, I really love that house. Kasi ako lang nakatira doon, tsaka si kuya, wala na sila, si tatay. Pero guys, it's all blessings. Even here, property din namin to. Kaya nga niloloko ko yung address, diba? Sabi ko, oh, where do you live? Naglaloka kami magpinsan. Tsaka, kay Anita sinabi ito, kasi mga kaklaseng, mga office mates niya. Pati ako naisipan ko, guys. Ito, joke lang to ha. Sinasabi ko, yeah, where do you live, Lou? Kasi dating ko kalaman, nakatira ako sa mga magagandang bahay, which is, I'm so proud here, guys. Mga Parawan lang owner nitong street na to. Kaya you should be proud. Kahit ng bahay dito, dikit-dikit. Yun nga lang guys, kailangan mag-ingat talaga. So, ang dami kong kinikwento. Kailangan kumukunik kayo, mabilis kayo. So, sabi ko guys, ganito. Ang address ko, I live in Sampaloc Village, corner Loyola Heights, Sampaloc, Manila. Pero kinumbahin ko yung Quezon City. Pero ano yun, it's a joke lang. Kaya tumatawa sila. Pero I live in Manila. Sampaloc. I'm so proud to be Manileñan. Like Isko, isasama ko na dito yung vlog ko, na I would like to thank you. Wait, hang on na. Kasi kailangan spontaneous eh. Okay? Wait, I'm gonna get something pa. Hang on lang ha.
Vega. Crispy nuggets. Mouth-watering burger pan.
Okay. Oh, I heard mouth-watering. I like that. Mouth-watering. Ayan, ang dami ko ng pinopromote ha. Okay, I would like to shout out Isko Moreno. Charan! Isko, thank you for this on behalf of my sister, Alda. Naku, Diyos ko, sana lang naging ano na rin ako, parang dami kong gift eh. Kaya lang di pa, Isko, alam mo age ko, and alam ko. Shout out to Chuck Dreyfus, kasi nga guys, si Chuck Dreyfus, I met him through Computer Plaza. Di ba una kong job, computer, dun ko na-meet si Chuck Dreyfus. Boss Joe, I love you. I really, treasure you. Tintin Sitiatko, Ben Chancock Ben, and Mr. King. Guys, ito na ibigay ni Isko, ni Yorme. Kasi hindi ko na vlog eh, pinagsabay-sabay ko na. Jaran! Wow, it's so classy, huh? I like your style, Isko. Guys, this is the tumbler. Ate Mi, arbor ko to Wala pa siya nandito siya sa bahay niya. Oh guys, it's a bagong Maynila tumbler from Isko. Blinag ko na rin dito kasi para sabay-sabay na. Kasi mahirap minsan yung phone ko pag maraming memory, alam mo na, di ba? RT-RT. Kasi ang dami kong video na wala pa iba eh. Jaran! What's this? It's a maligayang Pasko, manigong bagong taon Manileño, bagong Maynila. What is this, Isko? Oh! Cookies! Di ba I work in the hotel? Ang taray, RT-RT. Isko. Thank you. Guys, I will put this on my blog Isko, di ba sabi ko nga sa'yo, nagkita kami ni Isko, di ba na-meet ko si Chuck Dreyfus, 1992 hanggang ngayon kami pa rin, mag-close. Wala pa si Casper. Shoutout to Casper, anak nila ni Eileen. Nandun pa si Mama before. Pumupunta talaga ako doon, na-meet ko sila ron. Kaya si Chucky, very epic sa akin. Kasi nga, tsaka si Monica Herrera, Shintaro Valdez, yun, mga close ko rin yung Gary Estrada yung time na yun. Shintaro, hi. Gary Estrada, nagkita kami one time sa, hotel. Summer in City of Dreams, naka-check-in sila. May pinuntahan din ako doon client. Sabi ko, Gary, hanggang single pa rin ako. Bakit ba? RT. Ayan na guys. So, thank you. And then, Yorme ka grabe yung taray mo Ayan pa. Wow, blend coffee. Ate May, kunin mo to pero may hingin ako dyan. Bahala ka. Okay, in-unbox ko na. And then, this is the most important. 1, 2, ang bigat is ko. Tcharam! Wow! It's a black rice. Uy, ang mahal nito Black rice, Lunsod ng Maynila, Philippines. Isko, thank you for this. And to all, kaya na wala siyang 1.5 may cash pang binibigay Sabi ko, follow do, sabi ni Tita Letty. And then yung iba, natutuwa ko, meron silang bigas, meron silang package, meron silang 1.5, pero ate ko, wala, Isko Magtatanong Chuck yun, pero sabi to follow raw. I would like to say thank you, Isko. You're so awesome, you're so grateful, you're so wonderful. Pagpatuloy mo yan. Gayahin mo yung style ni Digong. Guys, actually kami ni Arnel Ignacio, dapat kasama ko siya nagka-campaign before kay Digong. Hi, Mr. President, DU30. Kasi nag-usap kami. Nel, kwento ko na rin to Kasi one time nagkita kami ni Arnel. Lagi kami nagkikita na-meet ko siya 2000 until now. Kami pa rin magkasama. Pati nga yun sa car niya na Porsche issue, di ba ako din yun So ganito guys. Dapat kasama ako. Kailan takot ako sa aeroplano, promise. Sabi ni Arnel, ano Lulu, sige, babayaran ko yung ticket mo. Sumama ka. Di ba nga, naging boyfriend ko si Papa Chris 2014. Until now. Kaya lang nasa Spain na siya. So, he can do anything he wants there. I do respect that. So, ngayon sabi ni Arnel, paano mo manimit si President? Alam mo, ito ang trivia. Sabi ni Arnel lang, guys, ganito. Sabi niya, Lu, sino gusto mo maging President? Parang type ko si Duterte ba yun? Kasi parang astig, parang walang pakialam sa mundo. Talaga ang dating, tas nagdadrive si Arnel. Totoo to, di ba? Kinento ko sa'yo, nandun ako. Tayong dalawa sa, kotse mong pick-up. Ay, yung sama, ewan ko, yung malaki. Ngayon, sabi pareho nung kay, yung kay Jamuel. Ay, hindi yata. Hi, Jamuel, hi, Rain. Dito na, sabi niya, Lu, type ko rin si Duterte. Ayun na yung time, nagbablog kami ni Arnel. Guys, meron ako tong vlog. Si Arnel kasama niya ako, hanapin ko yun. Pinapakita niya yung relo niya. Sabi ko, taray Tapos may pinaparinig siya. Pero guys, I don't want to reminisce all the, the good and what happened moments. Pero guys, promise. Ito lang masabi ko Kung sino man nakaupo ngayon, respect them. Kung may nagawang hindi maganda nung time ng 1 year, 2 years, anyway, matatapos na si Mr. President. Honestly, guys, I don't want to say like, I like him so much. Although may mga ibang nangyari kasi na hindi natin gusto. And guys, siguro ganito na lang. Let's move on. Kasi for the children's, we need to move on. Kung nakita natin maling ginawa nun, gawin natin ngayon tama. Kasi guys, kahit sino ka pa, president ka, ordinary people, or dito ka lang sa lugar mo ngayon, pandemic. Guys, ito tinuro ng tatay ko. You should know how to love yourself. You should know how to respect yourself. And you should appreciate whatever you've got in this world. No matter how it is, guys. Guys, kasi simula na nag-work, ulitin ko simula nag-work ako sa computer, that was 1992 until 99, okay? Ang dami kong natutunan, promise. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ganito yung magnetic ko sa tao. Kahit nga sino to? Sino yun, guys? Jericho, shoutout to Jericho. Alam mo guys, alam kong mag-gauge ng tao if he's a good person or not. I don't wanna be sounds like, akala mo kung sino ko, RT-RT, hindi. Guys, one thing tinitignan ko, attitude, gesture, the eye, the way you talk to the people, the way you respond, the way you rebuttal the situation. Guys, alam ko kung sino lahat tayo marunong mag-psych, okay? nakikita ko guys kung sino yung talagang respectful on themselves, talagang grateful, talagang they know how to appreciate the people. Ano yun guys natututunan yun Kumbaga napag-aaralan, natututunan, tapos expound mo. So ito, nag-live na ako And then sinabi ko yung mga gusto kong sabihin. Ayan, na-vlog ko na rin yung bigay ni Yorme. Yorme, thank you again. So let's go back to the yung parang ikakategorize mo ba tawag doon? Guys, ito lang tinuro ng magulang ko. Kailangan lagi kang mabuting tao, mabuti ka sa kapwa mo, sa pamilya mo, sa lahat. Kasi guys, ibang reciprocated nun pag naging okay ka na. Kahit ano ka pa, mayaman, middle class, or lower class, guys, ito paulit-ulit ko sinasabi sa vlog ko, may isang tao na milyonaryo, networker siya, si Sir Jun. Sinabi niya, Lu, pagpatuloy mo lang yung pagiging nice mo, you will be someone. Magiging milyonaryo, yung sinabi niya. Sabi ko, sir, parang magiging milyonaryo, nice ka lang, basta Lu, pagpatuloy mo lang. Sabi ko, okay. So I was inspired, and then I was so amazed and touched when he told me that. Tapos ang dami ko rin namimit na mga clients ko from the hotel. First ko, di ba, computer. So ang dami ko namit doon, talagang they're all awesome. Lahat big time na doon. Doon ko namit si Kit Kuhangko. Tapos nagulat si Arnel Ignacio. Sabi niya, look, kasi si Arnel is one of the top MC host in the Philippines or even in other countries. Kasi ang galing niya. Imagine, ang bayad sa kanya noon. Sabihin ko na, ang bayad sa kanya noon, 200K. Ilang oras lang yun. Hawak ko yung pera. Sabi, huwag mong kupitin yan. Sabi, ako kupitin. Ando kami sa bahay ni Danding Kuwangko. I mean, wala na siya. So, we respected them. And then, sabi ko nga, Nin, upo raw ako doon. Mga PBA nandun. Wala pa si Roy Sumang sa Blackwater. Hi, Roy. Hi, Uno. Hi, darling. Anita. Wala pa si Roy Sumang doon sa PBA. Ngayon si Arnel, sabi niya gano'n, Lulu, dyan ka lang, umupo ka. Di umupo ako. Di yan. Siyempre, maganda ang form ako noon. RT-RT. Tapos ngayon nandun na ako, di kumakanta na si Arnel, nag-host na. May lumakad, guys. Alam mo sino? Si Kit Kuhangko. Talagang sinigawan ko, sabi ko, Kit, anong ginagawa mo rito? Tapos sabi niya sa akin, ikaw, Lu, anong ginagawa mo rito? Wala. Sabi ni Kit Kuhangko, Kit, pag narinig mo to, matutuwa ka. I love you, Kit. I love your family. I love you because I met you through Computer Plaza to Boss Joe. Sabi ni Kit, ikaw ang anong ginagawa mo dito, Lu? Ayan kasama ko. Huwag mo sabihin, boyfriend mo, PBA player. Hindi, namali ko. Ito nga, sinama niya lang ako. Bigla niya lang ako sinabihan ng sumama Tapos, huwag mo sabihin ang boyfriend mo, kundi politicians. Nandun, ang dami ko nakita mga big time. Lahat nandun, sabi ko, ang ganda ng bahay nila. Doon sa QC, nandun ako. Nalkunento ko na, pero okay naman Shoutout to Arnel Ignacio. Hi. I miss you, brother. And I miss Jamal, I miss Rain, I miss everyone, okay? Kasi pandemic ganito. Siguro RT-RT na ganito na rin ako sa cooking. Alam mo na nakita ko si Kit, guys, kasi client ko siya sa Mandarin Oriental. I love Mandarin. I love the pastries there. I love the chef. I love the people. And I learned a lot. That's why, yung biko, ayan, ang dami ko nang kinikwento, paikot-ikot, kaya kailangan mabilis kayong mag-cope up. Guys, yung biko, kaya ako may biko na meron akong fruits on top, dun ko nakuha sa Mandarin yun. Kasi yung pudding nila, may prutas. Di ginaya ko. Pero guys, ang sarap, promise. Promise talaga. It's so awesome. Mouth-watering. Superb. Yung mga lahat ng gagamiting word sa hotel, And it's really biko looking good. Ginagamit yun sa kitchen, sa chicken, So yung guys, balik tayo kay Danding. Nagulat siya. Sabi ko, kasi Arnel, sabi ko, ayun yung kasama ko. Sino? Ayun ang nag-MC. Sino? Si Arnel Ignacio, boyfriend mo? Hindi Kaibigan, alam mo guys, ang dami nagsasabi. Arnel, huwag ka magagalit Ang dami nagsasabi, boyfriend ko ba si Arnel? Ako yung ex-wife. Diyos ko po, knowing Arnel, Hi Arnel, I love you. Tapos ito pa sila, Ay, nag-badminton kami. Nanood ako ng concert ni Ay, kasama si Arnel, matagal na yun. Nirecord ko nga nandun sa Facebook ko, siguro iyan ako nila scroll. So siguro guys, ayun na, ang dami na, nasabi ko na lahat. And then, I really love you guys. Basta, kindly click the button, kindly subscribe. Guys, alam ko kung sino yung nag-subscribe pag ako naka 1 million. Charot, balang araw. Pag ito binayaran ng YouTube, ewan ko lang sa inyo. Alam mo guys, kailangan nyo, di ba trainer ako sa marketing? Shoutout to boss. Ay, ito pa pala si Benji Sullivan. The owner of Sullivan Building. He's my friend. Gusto yung malaman yung kwento ko doon kung paano ko na-meet si daddy niya. Sa computer din yun. Ay no, sa hotel na kami ni Olive. Nag-Inglesan kami sa Takoyaki. Sa may Robinsons kasi hawak din yun. Sus Mariosep. Sabi ko, Inglesan kami. Oh dude, hi Olive. Kwento na. Sabi niya, oh dude, what are you doing here? I mean, yeah, let's go to Takoyaki. Let's buy something. Break time namin yun. So nag-Inglesan kami ni Olive. Ngayon meron doon yung dad pala ni Sullivan, ni Benji. Sabi ko, sir, sige, go ahead. If you want, you can buy. And then, ayun na. Tapos nakilala ko na. Tapos the next text ko na, wala na rin yung dad niya. So, kumbaga naging close ko na si Benji. Gusto akong gawin ni Benji na trainer. Parang kay Robert Laurel Lupanco. This is my client when I was in the in hotel industry. Guys, ang dami kong kwento 25 minutes na to. So, I'm really proud. I'm so thankful and grateful to meet all of these top people in this world. Actually, guys, ang dami kong, meron pang isa, Tyson Beckford. He's one of the best supermodel, top supermodel in the world. Guys, sinusundan ko siya bago ko ma-meet si Papa Chris. He's a black Jamaican guy. Kasi guys, hindi ko alam, parang feeling ko model din ako, sabi ni Master Feng Shui. Kasi tingnan mo, parang arty-arty, di ba? Hindi ko alam, parang gusto ko laging, di ba sabi ko, gusto ko maganda yung ambience, gusto ko maganda yung kainan ko, gusto ko maganda yung plating ko. Sabi niya, princess daw ako nun, hindi ko alam kung klaseng princess yun. Ambot. So, ganito guys. By the way, oh, this is only water, This is only water. Ano ba maganda sabihin ko? Oh, wait, yeah. Ayun na nga, di ba? So, sinabi ko kanina yung, kaya na-meet ko din sino to? Sila Keith Coanco through computer. Na-meet ko si Arnel Ignacio through hotel sa Mandarin. Yun nga, yung tinapakan niya yung pako. Sale nga lang yun, Diyos ko. Sabi ko, sir, ano ba? Tapos tinatapakan pa ako, sale lang yan. Kita mong kakabili ko lang yan sa sa Tiangge. Tapos bigla nakita ko si Arnel Ignacio. Arnel Ignacio. Ay, Jackster ako, diba? So guys, lagi kami kumakanta ni Arnel, yung R2RT, yung mga girl from Ipanema, the Nearness of You. Shout out to my classmates, si Timan. Timan, hanapin mo yung video. Kasi gusto ko ibigay kay Arnel Ignacio yun. Balik ulit tayo sa soap. Ang daming kwento bago sa soap. Diyos ko po. Guys, let's go back. This is the Omni soap. JC Premier. Yung siomai, papakita ko din. Yung ion, how do you call it this? Ion thing, like yung nilalagay sa quintas, parang ganon. And then, meron pa siyang, anong tawag dito? Marami. May siomai, 4 na flavor, Shanghai, Japanese, and then pork, and then there's another one. Tapos meron din siyang soap, may vitamins, may juice. Guys, mag-franchise kayo. Promise. You will be getting your money back, guaranteed money back. Makakuha ka lang ng 3. Kasi hindi ko memorize pero guys, makakuha ka lang ng 3. Balik na kagad yung yung pera mo, di ba? Yun. Ano na? O, paano guys? Ang haba na ng video, 30 minutes na. Thank you very much. And I love you, Omni. Second day ko Guys, alam mo ba, madaling araw pa lang dito. Aga ko nagigising. Ewan ko ba pag may edad na yata? O guys, ito. Kasi mamaya mag-yoga ako. Ito na yung outfit ko. Look. O, diba? Taray. Naka-rubber na ako, guys. Ayan, o. O, diba? Ayan na, nag-live na ako. Siguro ang gagawin ko na lang next ulit, magla-live ako habang nagluluto. Pero siguro ayusin ko na yung mga, iwalay ko na yung mga onion, cuts ng onion, tomato, garlic, tapos nakalagay na. So, ilalagay ko na lang. Wala mga measurements, guys, pero tayo nyo. Sige, I will do that. O, paano, guys? It's getting, I'm getting hungry. I'm gonna cook later on. So, I don't know if I'm gonna vlog that in private. But I like my music. And guys, order kayo ng Bicol. Shout out to, 19 ngayon. Happy birthday to Kuya Danny Santos. Crush ko yun. Kaya lang, syempre, alam mo na, married na. When I was young, doon sa kabilang bahay, talagang crush ko si Kuya Danny. And then sila Jimmy. Hi, Jimmy Santos. Siya yung head nun sa, sa San Juan. Ate Mirna, hi. Order ko ulit Bicol, O, paano guys? So, ganito na lang guys. Kindly subscribe, click the bell, and click the, how do you call that? Yung all, para every time I do vlogs, you're updated. Guys, trainer ako sa marketing. Alam ko kung nag-sign up kayo, nag-subscribe kayo, hindi. Una-una, pinapasend ko yung talaga nag-subscribe. Diba? Yung ba kasi sinabi, oo, pero wala raw email, churba. Ewan ko, trip nila yun. Pero siguro sana mag-subscribe. O, paano guys? I love you. And wait for my blog, for my cooking. Guys, I'm Chef Mashpo. I learned this from my parents and thank you very much. Jericho, Dana, hi, I love you. Jericho, call me. This, this vlog is for you. Order ganito May order sa akin 5 sabon. Tapos si Monique, tinatanong ako saan to. Guys, you buy this. And then, Biko, order kayo itong Christmas holidays. May order na ako 2 set. Isang Biko bibingka kay shoutout to Maranan. Thank you bro, ang galing mo. So, paano guys? Hasta la vista, baby. Pajulit-julit, Thank you very much. Have a lovely day. I'm getting hungry. I'm gonna cook my breakfast. Probably later on, I will show you. So, be safe. Always take care. Follow your instinct. Guys, kung ano yung tama, gawin mo. Mga bata, makinig kayo Always do the basic. Greet everyone. Your parents, when they wake up, good morning. Good morning, universe. Good afternoon, good evening. And then you use the po, opo, tapos walang magsisinungaling mga bata. Matuto kayong lumaki kung paano kayo pinalaki ng magulang nyo, magre-reflect yan hanggang tumanda kayo. Okay? O paano guys, I love you. Have a lovely day. Always be safe. And then let's pray maayos na lahat ng pandemic. Because I miss everything. I miss mag-bilyar. Makipag-compete. I wanna see Mr. Efren Bata soon. Alright? Ako yung female version. O paano? I love you guys. Have a lovely day. This is Chef Mashpo. Hasta la vista, baby.